Today I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to share specific data with another project or consolidate information from multiple sources without manually recreating everything from scratch. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheets you need to work with, as this will ensure you can see all your available files and folders. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google Apps and recent files are displayed. Look through your files and click on the spreadsheet that contains the sheet you want to copy to a different spreadsheet. This will open up the entire spreadsheet with all its sheets visible at the bottom. Now direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see tabs for all your sheets within this spreadsheet. These tabs are how you navigate between different sheets in the same file. Find the specific sheet you want to copy and right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options for managing that sheet. From this menu, click on Copy to. This is the key feature that allows you to duplicate your sheet into another spreadsheet entirely. It's a powerful tool that saves you from having to manually recreate data or use complicated workarounds. You'll now see two options appear. The first is New Spreadsheet, which creates a brand new Google Sheets file with your copied sheet. The second is Existing Spreadsheet, which lets you add your sheet to a spreadsheet that already exists. For this tutorial, click on Existing Spreadsheet. This option is perfect when you're working with established files and need to add data without starting from scratch. After clicking Existing Spreadsheet, a dialog box will appear showing you a list of your available spreadsheets. Browse through and choose the existing spreadsheet where you want to copy your sheet. Once you've selected it, click Insert. This action will copy your sheet into the spreadsheet you chose. Give it a moment to process, especially if your sheet contains a lot of data or complex formulas. A confirmation message will appear on your screen, letting you know that the sheet has been successfully copied. You'll see an option that says Open. Click on this button to preview the copied sheet in its new location. This lets you verify that everything transferred correctly and that all your data, formatting, and formulas are intact. And that's it. You've successfully copied a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets, making it easy to organize and share your data across multiple projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.